Hello everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss with you about the different modes of Wireshark. In my previous video I have already discussed with you about the Wireshark and NPCap. Let's start. Firstly, I want to tell you with you what is Wireshark, a free open source network protocol analyzer. Actually, this is the software which is used for network analyzer that capture, inspect and analyze network traffic in real time. This is the famous networking analyzer software which is mostly used to analyze and troubleshoot the network, used by network administrators, security analysts and IT professionals worldwide. Now the next, what is the main role of Wireshark? The first is live capturing. This software is mainly used for live capturing. It is used to capture the live packets, network traffics in real time. Second use of the Wireshark is protocol support. It is software which is widely used. The network protocol support hundred of network protocol, which is very helpful when we are analyzing the network traffic. The third is packet inspection. This is the main tool which is used for detailed packet filtering and inspection. If you want to select your packets according to their choice, like TCP, IP, UDP, you can select with your own choice. The next is security and forensic department, and for the security purpose, Wireshark is mainly and widely used in cybersecurity, digital forensic and network administrator. The fourth is troubleshooting. If your network is not working properly, if you want to track any specific packets of a related protocol, you can use the Wireshark. Diagnose network and applications issue. This is the mainly use of Wireshark. I want to tell you about the three capture modes of Wireshark. Actually, this is the main games of modes. If we will select a specific mode, the Wireshark will perform his ability according to selected modes. We have only three modes in Wireshark. The first is normal mode. This is the default mode, capture only local device traffic. The second is promiscuous mode, captured all packet visible to the network adapter, all the packet which is enabled for a local area network or wide area networks, your Wireshark is capable to capture. The third is monitor mode. It's a very famous mode when you want to access the network of any other person or you want to access your beacon packets, you can use the monitor mode. Wireless mode, captured raw 802.11 frames. This is the wireless standard 802.11, and Wireshark was able to capture all the wireless mode data. The next is normal mode. The network adapter captured only traffic sent on received by the local device. If my system is connected with the internet, all the captured data who I received or sent to a server or received from the server, the normal is capable to capture the default operating modes. First is only the device on network traffic. I can capture, Wireshark can capture on network traffic. The second is connectivity. Internet remain available during capture. Third is example DNS, TCP, HTTP packets when received a website. When I will try to connect the internet, DNS, TCP, HTTP, HTTPS packets I can receive with the help of Wireshark. The next is mode 1. We are talking about the normal mode, where we will use the normal mode. First is internet troubleshooting. This is the mainly used for internet troubleshooting, diagnose connectivity issuance, application traffic. The second is protocol learning. If you want to learn the different types of protocol with the help of Wireshark, you will use the normal mode. Third is application analyze. If you want to analyze any application, inspect traffic generated by the specific application, you will use the Wireshark. The next is promiscuous mode. Promiscuous mode is the NIC accept and forward all packets it received the Wireshark regarding of the destination network. It's a very famous mode which is mostly and widely used in Wireshark. The NIC accept and forward all packets it received to Wireshark. It will accept the packets from the NIC and forwards to the Wireshark regarding to the destination address if we can specify to a particular machine. Which task the promiscuous mode can specify can performed. First is captured all packet visible to the network adapter, he is capable to capture. The second is network types commonly used on the Ethernet network. Limitation is in switch network ports mirroring span may be needed for full visibility. You know what is the port mirroring means? Port mirroring means when we will capture the traffic on a specific port and forwards to another port. Now the next is monitor mode. What is monitor mode? A wireless capture mode that allow a Wi-Fi adapter to capture all the raw IEEE 802 frame, 802.11 frame managed control and data frame without connecting to any network. It's a very famous mode which is mainly used by the hackers. Hackers will enable this modes to capture all the wireless packets to access the username password of others Wi-Fi router. If you know the username and password of the other Wi-Fi router, you can change the setting of the specific router if you will enter the username and password of the neighbor's router. What is the use of monitor mode? Wireless traffic, capture traffic from nearby device on a wireless channel. If your system is connected with any wireless channels, Wireshark is capable to capture the traffic. The second is no connection needed. It is not necessary to join a Wi-Fi network. It is capable to capture the Wi-Fi network without joining. Monitor modes is depend on your hard work also. Firstly, you will install the NPCAP softwares while you are installing the NCAP. The second is your Wi-Fi should be latest. Then he is capable to capture the wireless data. The next is low level access, beacon frames, probe request, authentication frame, WPA2 handshakes. It's a packet which is responsible for login. If you want to log in for any router, the handshakes packet is responsible for it. The first is what is beacon frame. A beacon frame is a type of IEEE 802.11. This is the management frame transmitted periodically by the wireless access point to announce the presence of a wireless network and provide information about it. The second is probe request. What is probe request? A probe request is also IEEE 802.11 management frame sent by the wireless client to discovery nearby Wi-Fi frame. The third is authentic frame. An authentic frame is also IEEE 802.11 management frame used during the authentic process between the wireless client and the access point before the client can join the Wi-Fi network. If you want to access your neighbor's router, you need an authentic frame. Now the next is monitor mode. Wi-Fi security assessment evaluates wireless network security and detect vulnerabilities, which is mainly used for Wireshark. The second is wireless penetration testing, test and audit wireless network for weakness. Firstly, this tools is mainly used for wireless auditor. It's a wireless analyzer. Wireshark is not capable to capture any packet. It is capture packet with the help of NPCAP. The next is packet sniffing and analysis, capture and analyzing wireless protocol behavior. The fourth is wireless troubleshooting, diagnose connectivity and performance issue on Wi-Fi network. These tasks we can usually perform with the help of monitor mode. Now I want to tell you about how to enable all three modes: normal mode, promiscuous mode and monitor mode. For the enable of three modes, you have to start your Wireshark. This is the page you can see on the screen. This is the wireless network analyzer. Then you will click on Wi-Fi. This option you will click on Wi-Fi. Then you will click on yes. Then you can see this is the live capturing of the packets. This is the normal mode. Your Wireshark is capable. This you can see that this is the live capture in progress. Your Wi-Fi live capture in progress. The 77 packets has been captured. This is the normal mode where your Wireshark is capable to capture the packets. How can enable monitor mode and promiscuous mode? Now how can we enable the promiscuous mode and normal mode? You will click on captured, but now you can click on this button, stop capturing packet. Your Wireshark has been stopped. Then you will click on captured. Then you will click on option. Then this you can check this. enable promiscuous mode all or interface. When you will click on this board, you will click on this checkbox. Your Wireshark is capable to capture the packet with the help of promiscuous mode. When you will click on this option, enable monitor mode on all 802.11 interface. This is the way when you will click on this checkbox, your Wireshark is capable to capture the wireless packet. Kindly keep in mind, your monitor mode is also depend the capability of your hardware. Also, your hardware, your Wi-Fi driver should be latest, the mandatory. If your wireless is not updated, you cannot capture all the packet. You can capture some limited packets. Clear? This is the process. How can we enable the promiscuous modes, monitor modes, and you can see that this is the normal mode. I'm waiting for your response. You have to subscribe my channel. Right now we have only 9 subscribers. We need 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch time. After that my channel will be monetized. I need your support. Bye. We'll meet in the next